Hey Queens, it's your girl Abby Sola. If you don't already know, today I'm going to be doing a hair review on this beautiful hair I'm wearing. I am going to do this video because every single time I wear this hair, somebody asks me where did I get it from, and y'all know y'all my sisters, so I'm gonna put y'all onto the plug. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos if you are new to my channel, and follow me on my social media. Let's just get right into the video because I hate long hair review videos.
So this is the box that I got the hair in. It's such a great box. It's really cute, really nice packaging. This is the bag that the hair comes in. Oh my gosh, this hair bag smells so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish I could smell this.
This hair that I'm wearing is from I Wear Glam Hair. I found them on Instagram, but this closure that I'm wearing is Queen Hair closure from AliExpress. I got 18, 20, and 22 of the hair, and then this closure I think is a 16-inch closure from the Queen Hair. Would I recommend this hair? Yes, I would. Okay, so if you're thinking about buying this hair, and I have Brazilian straight, if you're thinking about buying this hair, I would say go ahead and buy it. I love this hair. It's probably one of the best that I've ever bought. But don't exit out of the video yet, because I got to tell you this. I did order a closure from them when I originally bought my hair, but my closure was trash. Like, after a while, I had that closure for, I don't even remember how long, but I know it was over 6 months, and I did pluck the closure to my desired width, but after a while the hair started coming out of the closure. So like my closure, the part in the closure got really wide. Like, it looked really bad. Like, that joint looked like Moses parted the Red Sea. Like, my closure would not lay. It was like, it looked like the McDonald's sign, and I just couldn't fade it anymore. So I went to Queen Hair on AliExpress, which I love them. All my closures I think I have on all the hair that I wear are from Queen Hair. As I said before, I got 18, 20, and 22. When I first received this hair, it was really long. Like, I felt like I was finna fly away somewhere, so I cut it a little bit. The hair got shorter because I've had it for, it's going on 2 years, y'all, and it still pops. But after a while, like, the ends started getting bad, so I even trimmed it a little bit. But this is the length it is now. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see. Comes like right here. Like I said, this hair is really great quality. It doesn't tangle, doesn't shed. When the hair gets kind of dry, it'll be harder to comb it, but that's any hair if you don't take care of it. So I just deep condition it and I wash it, and it be bouncing. I had a good experience with this hair, yes. My only comment, like I said, was be aware of the closure. Oh, and also, I don't know if you guys could tell, but the hair is not that full. This is 3 bundles, and I personally don't think it's that full, but I just love this hair so much, so it doesn't bother me because the hair quality is so great. Alright guys, that is the end of the hair review. I'm just gonna go ahead and exit out because this video was literally just for y'all, just for the people that always ask me where I get my hair from. Do like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video, and check out my other videos. And I love you guys, and God loves you more. And I'm out.